Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will going to show you on how to set up your QNAP NAS to use an external USB drive to be used as the storage for your Hikvision NVR IP camera recorder. If you are new to my channel, I will really appreciate if you please hit the like and subscribe button down below. This will help me in creating more video tutorial like this. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let me show you first on how my devices are connected. So I have here our Hikvision NVR, our QNAP NAS, and then our Seagate external USB drive and our network. So our NVR is connected to our network and our QNAP NAS is connected to our network as well. This is how the NVR and QNAP NAS are communicating with each other. From our QNAP, it depends on the model that you are using. I am using TS453A, so I have a spare 3 USB port at the back, and I use one of them to plug in our USB external drive, and that is using a USB cable. So this is a quick summary of what we are doing. First, we need to format the external USB drive from the QNAP interface, and in QNAP interface we need to make sure that the NFS service is enabled, and then after that we need to edit the shared folder permission of that external USB drive, and then from the Hikvision interface we need to search and add the external USB drive, and then initialize the new drive in the Hikvision interface. I have already plugged in and powered on our external USB drive, so let's jump into the QNAP interface and configure. As you can see, the QNAP has detected our Seagate GoFlex disk, and now it is asking us what to do. Since we need to format the USB drive first, we need to go to the View External Storage Settings to do that. Once we're here, we click the Seagate and then go to Actions and click Format, and leave the file system as NTFS, and click Format. All disk data will be removed. Are you sure? Yes, press OK. Yeah, so you need to make sure that there is no important files or data in your external USB drive, as we will be formatting it. Okay, so format is now complete. We'll close this one and go to your control panel. Go to WinMac NFS WebDAV under Network and File Services. Let's click this one and go to your NFS service, this one here, and make sure that these boxes here are ticked, and also tick the third box, enable manage GIDs. And once you've done that, click apply, and once that's enabled, close it and go to your control panel again and go to your shared folders, that's under privilege, and from here we need to find the external USB drive shared folder, which is this one, and we need to edit shared folder permission. Click that one and then make sure that it is highlighted, and on the select permission type, click the drop down menu and select NFS host access, and then tick the box here, access right, allow IP address or domain name, click add, and put in your NVR IP address. In my case it's 192.168.88.27. that's the Hikvision NVR IP address. And on the squash option, make sure it is read write like this, and click apply and close. That's it on the QNAP NAS side. So we need to go to the Hikvision NVR now. Let's log in using our demo account. Then go to your configuration here under storage management, and as you can see in the HDD management, I don't have drive in there at the moment. So to add the one that we just created in QNAP, you go to net HDD and search. So at the moment there's nothing there. Search and put in your QNAP NAS IP address and click search, and now it's showing the Seagate that we just created earlier. Tick the box, press OK, and click save, and there should be a save succeed appear here at the bottom. And once you've done that, you go to HDD management, and you should be able to see the new drive there, HDD number 17, and the capacity is 1 terabyte, and it says status uninitialized. We will then need to click this box here and format the HDD. Okay, alright guys, the format is now completed. As you can see, the 1 terabyte hard drive is now showing as normal. To take note guys, that it took me a while to format the 1 terabyte, roughly maybe 2 hours, so you have to take note on that one. So at the moment I can see that my Hikvision is now recording. So to verify that, let's go to one of our camera. Now let's say the front gate, and as you can see, I have here 6th of February, and you can see there's a blue color on the date. It means that there's already a recorded video footage in this one. And also if you look at it here, I have a recording from 8:12, and the time now is 8:31, so I already have like more than 15 minutes of recording. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yes, as you can see, there's already a blue color in there. That is the indication that there is a recording happening. Alright, and that's about it guys, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you have a question guys, please write a comment down below and I will try my best to answer your questions.